Hello sailors! Cala Figuera port is a unique Mallorcan fjord on the southeast of the island, filled with a large fishing fleet and few docking places. You can take a walk around the inner port, surrounded by old boathouses, continue to the watchtower and lighthouse, north of the port entrance. Or you can hike to the southern port entrance, with steep cliffs overlooking the watchtower and lighthouse. Saint-Denis is 4.5 kilometers away. Walk around the shops and galleries, and try not to miss the market every Wednesday. Thank you for watching SeaTV.